Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 75 Chevy van by Matchbox, and as you can see, it's a mobile dog spa. Ruff Riders. Looks like a cool paint on the side, so let's open it up and see how the rest of the van looks. So here is the van out of its box. The first thing I would say, it's a very cool paint job. I have a dog and I would love this van. Since we are on the side, let's talk about the details on the side. It's like a panel van, so there's one door here, but you've got a circular or window there, not circular, elliptical window there, or oval window in the back. Flared wheel charges, so suggests it's a custom van. Also, these wheels, they look nice. They look like the classic steel wheels you will get like in that 75 era. And side mounted exhaust, so definitely a custom van. Also from here you can see the bumper on the side, front and back, turn indicators which are detailed. I really like this paint job. Rough Rider. Door handles also detailed. You got the black painted. No mirrors, I can see that. Also, if we see the roof, it's got two sunroofs. Everything is blacked out, so I can't really figure out if there is an interior inside. It might be, but I can't really see. So up front, you got the windshield wipers, you got the Chevy logo, you can see the headlamps, grille, bumper, everything, even the turn indicators, but none of them are detailed. So I would have liked it, but I think they used all that stickers on the side. Coming to this side, again the paintwork is almost identical, looks exactly same, only the direction changes kind of. Now coming to the back, it has doors in the back, so you can obviously enter from the back. It's a panel van. Tail lamps are there, but again they are not detailed. Same goes for the number plate. It's there, door handle, everything is there, but none of them are detailed. So overall, it's part of their main line, and the only thing I would have wanted extra here would have been mirrors, because since it's an older van, you can easily detail headlamps and tail lamps, which is not a big issue. And I really like the paint and the actual paint and the sticker job on the side, which looks really cool. And I don't know why they blacked out the interior. Oh, sorry, blacked out the glass. Maybe just to make it cool. I guess so. So those are my thoughts on this casting. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.